Hi, this is Daryl Peterson with Micromeasurements, and I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to one of our environmental coatings. This particular coating happens to be GageKote number 8, which is in acrylic. If you look at it, you'll see that it's a transparent or clear acrylic coating that's oftentimes used as an initial coating over top of the strain gauge. If you need more mechanical or moisture protection, you may take a coating system such as a polysulfide to put over the top of a cured layer of GageKote number 8. GageKote number 8 is kind of similar in protection to our MKote A and our MKote D. They're both thin materials that you can apply with a brush cap applicator. GageKote number 8 stays a little bit more flexible than those, but it's a clear coating system over top of the gauge, and you can easily see through it, and it'll help to hold down your lead wires. If you'd like to find out more about GageKote number 8, take a look at our website at www.micro-measurements.com. Thank you.